So guys, I want you to take a look on this very place. Just take a look. See? See how the place is? Just take a look. This is where I stay and create my YouTube videos. Just take a look. The reason why I'm doing this is because a lot of people procrastinate that they don't have a good background. They don't have a place that they can stay and shoot their video. Just take a look on this place. Does this place look like a place that you can stay and shoot content like the YouTube video? Just take a look. There's no chair here. Take a look. There's no chair. That's my laptop, and that's my pot stand that I normally use. And then just take a look. You see, this is my white cloth that I normally use for sleeping. Just take a look. I want you to just watch and see what I'm going to do with this place, with this background. I want to shoot a very clean and nice video right now that is going to shock you guys. So without wasting much time, let's start. So guys, I told you guys on my video that I stay here to shoot my content. There is nothing you have to argue about. This is where I stay to shoot my content. Everything that you see on my video are all background. They are all fake. Everything that you are just seeing on my videos, all the arrangement, they are just fake. The real background that you are seeing here is what is in this place. So every other thing that you see in the video, they are all fake. I just create those background to enhance my video because I don't want to procrastinate that I don't have good place for me to shoot my content. And thank God that the phone that I'm using is a quality phone that mute every outside noise. I use CapCut to record this very video that you have seen here. I put my phone on a lamp scale to record this video. I don't have mic. I don't use mic. In fact, I don't have all the good quality skill that I can use as a YouTuber to create or to shoot my video. So, but in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create such content, how you can use fake background to enhance your video. If you're a YouTuber that don't actually know how to edit very well, then this video is for you. What you have to do is for you to pay attention and watch this video to the end. And also, as you are watching, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because you may get more update whenever I upload new content. And don't forget to turn the bell icon. If you are my returner view, I really appreciate for your support for standing by to watch my video. Thank you so much for everything. So guys, without wasting much time, let's dive into the video and let me show you how you're going to change the background of your video, how you're going to enhance your video to look more professional, how you're going to put different type of light that are going to shine on your face, they're going to shine in the background of your video, and someone will look at it and think that, okay, oh, this person actually spent a lot of money to shoot this video. Doesn't know that this is the background that you actually stay to shoot this very content. So guys, stop playing. Let's start the video right now. Let me show you how you can edit using the smartphone. This is the phone that I use to shoot all my content, my smartphone and my CapCut. Thank God for CapCut for bringing a free version of CapCut for people like us to use it for a